In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Cloudflare API key. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate Cloudflare with your project, or you simply need the key for accessing specific services. This step-by-step guide will make the process easy and straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll have your API token ready to use and securely stored. So let's dive right in without any delay and get started with this simple yet essential process. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is go to the Cloudflare website, open your browser, and navigate to Cloudflare's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare account. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, just take a moment to create one. The process is quick and straightforward, and once you're signed in, you'll be ready to follow the rest of the steps. Now, once you've logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile photo or avatar there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can manage various account settings. Once you're on the profile page, scroll down until you see the section labeled API Tokens. This is where you'll generate and manage your API tokens, which are the secure keys that allow you to interact with Cloudflare's services. Click on the API Tokens section to open it. Next, you'll see an option to create a token. Click on the Create Token button to move forward. This will bring up a page with a variety of templates designed for different purposes. From the available options, you'll want to select the template labeled Edit Cloudflare Workers. This template is specifically designed for working with Cloudflare's workers and is the one we'll use in this tutorial. After selecting the template, take a moment to ensure that the correct permissions are set. In the drop-down menus, make sure that all zones and all accounts are selected. This step is important because it determines the scope of access your API token will have. By selecting all zones and all accounts, you're allowing the token to work with all the zones and accounts associated with your Cloudflare profile. Once you've confirmed these settings, click on the button labeled Continue to Summary. This will take you to a summary page where you can review all the details of the token configuration. Take a moment here to double-check everything, review the permissions, and make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. When you're satisfied with the details, click on the Create Token button. Cloudflare will then generate your API token. After a moment, you'll see the token displayed on your screen. This is your unique key, so make sure to handle it carefully. Now, the final and most critical step, copy the generated API token and store it securely. You can save it in a password manager, a secure document, or any other safe place where you can easily access it when needed. Remember, this token is sensitive information, so don't share it with anyone you don't trust, and don't store it in an unsecured location. And that's it. You've successfully generated your Cloudflare API token. By following these steps, you now have the key you need to integrate Cloudflare with your tools and projects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.